Alright, here's a script for a fixed zone YouTube video titled, How to Unzip Files on Mac Easy Guide. Intro music with fixed zone logo animation. Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixed Zone. I'm your host, your name. Visual, cut to screen recording of a Mac desktop with a zipped file. Today, we're tackling a super common task that everyone runs into, unzipping files on your Mac. It's actually really simple, but sometimes things can get a little confusing. So we're going to walk through a few different ways to unzip files, from the most basic to a couple of slightly more advanced techniques, just in case you need them. Visual, quick shot of a thumbs up icon and a subscribe button. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you're new to Fixed Zone, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips and tricks. We're here to make your tech life easier. Visual, back to the screen recording of the Mac desktop. Okay, let's get started. First up, the easiest way. Visual, focus on a zipped file on the desktop. Method 1, the double-click. This is the method you'll probably use 90% of the time. Simply find the zipped file you want to open. Visual, demo of double-clicking the zipped file. And double-click it. Yep, that's it. macOS has a built-in archive utility that automatically recognizes zipped files. Once you double-click, it will create a new folder in the same location as the zipped file, and that folder will contain all the unzipped files. Visual, show the newly created folder and its contents. See? Easy peasy. Now you can access all the files that were compressed inside. Visual, focus on the same zipped file. Method 2, the right-click, or control-click. If double-clicking doesn't work for some reason, maybe you accidentally changed the file association, don't worry, we have another option. Visual, demo of right-clicking/control-clicking the zipped file. Right-click on the zipped file, or control-click if you don't have a right-click button. Visual, show the context menu. In the menu that pops up, look for Open With, and then choose Archive Utility. Visual, select Open with -Archive Utility. This will force the built-in archive utility to open the file, even if macOS is trying to use a different program. Just like before, it'll create a new folder with the unzipped contents. Visual, short pause, look directly at the screen. Now, these methods work for most standard .zip files. But sometimes, you might encounter different types of compressed files, like .rar or .7z. For those, you'll need a third-party application. Visual, show a screen recording of downloading and installing the Unarchiver from the Mac App Store. Method 3, using a third-party Unarchiver, the Unarchiver. One of the best free options is called the Unarchiver. You can find it in the Mac App Store. Visual, highlight the App Store icon and search for the Unarchiver. Just search for the Unarchiver, download and install it. It's totally free and open source. Visual, quick overview of the Unarchiver interface. Once installed, the Unarchiver will automatically associate itself with different archive formats. When you double-click a .rar or .7z file, it will open using the Unarchiver and unzip the contents. Visual, demo of opening a .rar file with the Unarchiver. The Unarchiver also lets you customize where the extracted files are saved and other options. It's a really handy tool to have. Visual, back to you, talking directly to the camera, or a split screen with your face and the desktop. So there you have it. 3 easy ways to unzip files on your Mac. Whether you're dealing with a standard .zip or something a little more exotic, you should be able to get those files unzipped and ready to use. Visual call to action screen with text, like and subscribe, and social media links. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Fixed Zone for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any other Mac tips you'd like to see. Visual, end screen with related videos and Fixed Zone logo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Outro music with Fixed Zone logo animation.